We will continue now in the lesson attributes of three-dimensional shapes. So we will see some three-dimensional shapes like cubes, rectangular prisms, cones, spheres. We will count the faces they have, the edges and the vertices, okay? So I want you all to open your books to page 526. Please, all of you. 526. It's this page, okay? Who can count for me how many faces do we have in a rectangular prism? How many edges? How many vertices? So, Rahaf, can you?
Yes.
Okay. How many faces do we have in a rectangular prism?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many edges? Thank you. Someone else. Maqdam, can you tell me how many edges?
Yes.
How many?
12.
12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just a minute. Okay. How many vertices, Maqdam?
8.
8. Your answer was correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's go to the cube. Let's go to the cube and count how many faces, edges, and vertices does it have. How many faces does a cube have?
6, 11, 8.
Wait, then you think it's 6 faces. How many edges, Nirvana? How many edges?
12.
12. Okay. How many vertices, Ahmad? In a cube. How many vertices are there in a cube?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So please check your answers. Check your answers. Do you all have right answers?
6, 12, 8. I don't
So
Wait,
should
again.
be 6, 12, 8 for the rectangular prism. 6, 12, 8 for the cube. The same. Let's move to the second page or the third page in this lesson. Here. So here we are going to use the steps to draw a cube. Okay, we're going to draw a cube. I want you to follow the same instructions. You have them here. So you will draw a square, then make each side 4 units long. 4 units. 1 unit is the distance between one point and another, okay? This is 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 units. So a unit is the distance between one point to another. Okay, do this as homework. Practice drawing the cube. Remember, okay, that every line you're going to draw, every side you're going to draw is going to be 4 units long. 4 units long, okay? So this is homework, and 528 is homework. This is homework. Mark your homework, please. And let's start the new lesson. Build three-dimensional shapes. We're going to learn how to build them now. So before we start the exercises in the book, we will watch a video. Okay? All following? Amazing.
Ready to do some math, Joey?
Oh, well, not really, Mrs. Sandoval. I have to go get a hair.
Right now?
Yes, I don't want to wait because it costs so much more when your hair is long.
But this math puzzle will only take a minute.
Oh, my hair grows really fast.
Joey, nobody's hair goes that fast. Just look at the math puzzle.
Well, okay, but can we make it speedy?
Okay. The top view, side view, and front of a rectangular prism are shown. Build the prism. How many unit cubes are used to build the solid? Here are the views that are given to us. Now, notice each view is a rectangle. This tells us that our prism is a rectangular prism. Here's the top view.
Right.
Here's the front view.
Right there, yeah.
And here's the side view.
Oh, okay.
Now, Joey, a rectangular prism is composed of unit cubes. Now, I have a question. How many unit cubes do we need to build our prism? To find out, let's count the number of unit cubes in the front of our solid. I'm going to take the front part of my solid and count these unit cubes. Well, Joey, we have 15 altogether.
Wow.
Now, let's take the back part of my solid and count those unit cubes. Well,
Same as the
yeah,
front.
same as the front. We have another 15. So altogether, the 15 unit cubes from the front and the 15 unit cubes from the back give us
So
30
the back and the front have the same number, okay? 15 in the front, 15 in the back.
unit cubes.
How about that?
That means it takes 30 unit cubes to build the solid.
That was awesome.
What happened to your hair?
Well, I told you that my hair grows really fast. Now I have to make double.
Join us next time for some more fun with math.
Okay, so as you saw, they were counting and the space inside by units. Each square, we call it a unit. Let's see this video and count more.
Hi there, friends. Jay and I are enjoying a beautiful sunny day at the park. A lot of families are too. Some of them even brought picnic lunches. The family eating at this table has 3 children. The youngest boy brought building blocks to play with. Each block is a cube. Jay overheard the boy talking about what he was going to build. Click J to see what the boy is going to build with his blocks. The boy is building a rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism.
I wonder how many blocks he'll use to build it. Come on, let's learn more about building.
You can do this with your cubes, the blocks that you have at home. You can try many of the three-dimensional shapes with the cubes you have them at home. Look here. They made a rectangular prism with the blocks or the cubes they have. Let's see.
Building rectangular prism.
You see, it's a rectangular. You look at this face. It's a rectangular shape, so the shape is rectangular prism.
These are all three-dimensional shapes. Let's sort them by their surfaces. First, let's put a ring around the shapes with curved surfaces. The shapes that look like they can roll or have a circle shape have curved surfaces.
So, which ones are these? The ones that have curved surfaces. Curved surfaces.
The cone has a curved surface. Which other shape has a curved surface?
Who can answer this? Yes, so the sphere.
The sphere. There's one more shape with a curved surface. It's the cylinder. Next, let's put a box around all the shapes with flat surfaces. A flat surface can go even against a table.
Is it this one? Does this one have a flat surface? Yes or no? What do you think?
The cone has a
Miran,
flat surface.
follow.
Which other shape has a flat surface? The cube has a flat surface.
Actually,
Is there another shape?
the cube has all the sides a flat surface. It doesn't have any curved surfaces.
Yes, the rectangular prism has a flat surface. There's still one more shape.
One more shape has a flat surfaces. It's the cylinder.
It's the cylinder. Now look at the results. Why do the cone and cylinder have a ring and a box around them? Because they have curved surfaces and flat surfaces.
They have both.
Why does the
Curved
sphere
and
only have a
straight,
ring
flat.
around it? Because it only has curved surfaces. And why do the cube and rectangular prism only have boxes around them? Because they only have flat surfaces.
Okay.
This rectangular prism is made from 20 cubes.
20 cubes. Let's count them.
When you look at this rectangular prism, you can see the front face. You can't see the back face, but you know the front and back are the same.
The front and the back faces
left
are the
face,
same.
which you
The
can't
same
see,
number, the
is
same
as
size.
the right face, which you can see. The top view of this rectangular prism is what you'd see if you looked at this face from above. The front view of this rectangular prism is what you'd see if you looked at this face from the front. You can show drawings of different views of the rectangular prism. Select the squares to complete the top view and front view of the rectangular prism. Then check your answer. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
So, this was how we count the units in a three-dimensional shape, and how do we recognize the top view and the back view and the side view. Okay? Very good.